Today we're making Thai Sweet Chili Salmon. It's sweet, spicy, and perfectly caramelized. The best part is how quick and easy this recipe comes together.
This is my favorite salmon recipe ever.
All you will need is a couple Asian pantry essentials for this delicious 20-minute recipe. First, we will prepare the sweet chili sauce. Simply mince up the garlic and then combine it with soy sauce, sambal, Dijon mustard, and Thai sweet chili sauce. Mix the sauce together and then set it aside. The key to this recipe is using high-quality salmon, which is why I'm using Atlantic Salmon fillets from MOWI, who is sponsoring today's video. MOWI's conveniently sized packages are always fresh, so I'll get incredible flavor each time. You can find MOWI on Amazon, Instacart, and Target, so getting premium quality salmon has never been easier. Today I'll be using 4 salmon fillets. Using a paper towel, gently pat the fillets dry and then season them with salt and pepper. Then heat a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. Pour in the sauce we made earlier and stir until it reaches a simmer. Add the salmon skin side down to the skillet and allow it to cook for 2 minutes while spooning the sauce over the salmon. Remove the skillet and place it in the oven to broil for 5 minutes. To make this salmon into a complete meal, I love pairing it with jasmine rice. The key to perfectly cooked rice is washing the starch off the rice until the water runs clear. Then use a rice cooker so you can set it and forget it. For the vegetables, I will be blanching broccolini in salted boiling water. Alternatively, you can use any vegetable of your choice, but I find dark leafy greens complement the bold chili sauce and buttery salmon the best. Plus, there are minimal dishes required and the broccolini is cooked in 2 minutes. After the salmon has finished cooking, remove the fillets. Then add a 1/4 cup of water to the skillet and bring it to a simmer over medium heat. Mix until combined and simmer until the sauce has slightly thickened. Serve the salmon over a bed of jasmine rice with a side of the broccolini, and you'll have an easy restaurant-quality meal at home. This recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner or an impressive date night at home. And if you haven't tried MOWI Salmon yet, this is your sign to grab some today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more easy recipes.